look at this pussycat, sleeping away in her element.
I've got a big one that I bought at the gas, you know.
Just make your way towards the warehouse. I'll catch up with you. I'm just trying to go around and open that from the inside side. Stage. Of course, for a beer brewery, this would be their final stage, so they do things slightly different because it has to be lovely by here. But yeah, a bit of a giveaway, but yeah, that's good.
Look at this, little gin samples. What a lovely morning. Look at all these fabrics. Got a couple here that I quite like the look of. So this place is incredible. I'm actually a little bit overwhelmed with the amount of things that you can get, and I've seen so many clothes for 50p that are very tempting to get, but I've managed to get a bag full so far of fabrics.
What is called?
All the wristlets, you know, for your mobile phones.
They
you put
are.
Your phone on,
Oh, they
and
are
you put 'em on
beautiful.
there.
How much are those?
These are £3.50.
They are so cool.
And the bag charms as well. You don't have to use them for your phone. You can use them on handbags.
I think these little pens, though, these are really amazing.
Yeah, some have got water in them with glitter.
So you've handmade all of those?
Yeah, I buy the pen and then I get the beads exported to me. And these ones. These are a bit heavy though then.
Gosh, that's gorgeous. So I just quickly wanted to show you what I got from the car boot sale. So I got all of this organza here. I'm loving the smocking with the organza, so I'll definitely use that. So that was £3. And then this, all of this satin, and I love the colour, that was £1 only. which I thought that was fab. And then there was a really lovely lady who said that she used to make cushions, and she had some spare fabrics, upholstery fabrics that she'd used that were left over. So I think these were a couple of pounds each, like £2 or something. It's a really, really good price. So I thought that kind of pinky floral was gorgeous. And yes, I thought I could maybe do some smocking with these because really large lengths of fabric. So I'll definitely get some done.
Medium Americano, please. With
Is that white or what?
that's white.
Okay, no problem. Anything else?
Yeah, can I get a medium Americano decaf black?